Do not follow this path. This path will lead you to destruction, from which there is no return. I'm warning you because of my personal experience. Oh, shut up, you old man. I'm not as stupid like you. I'm a very clever person and I can handle myself. Get out of my way now. Hey mate, don't go that route. There is a bad way ahead. There are pits everywhere. My foot also fell into the pit and I fell on my face and I even got my nose broken. Surely this path leads to success. There is something better ahead. Maybe he's jealous of me, so he doesn't want me to have that success. That's why he's stopping me from going this route. Ha ha ha, nice try, but I'm not gonna fall for this. I know you don't want me to get the success that is at the end of this path, but I will not listen to you. Now get out of my way. Foolish people. They were saying about these small tiny things that there is a danger ahead. But I crossed it very easily. Stupid, coward, and lazy people. I knew they just wanted to scare me, so I would not follow this path and will not get success. Help me, please, somebody help me. Is there anyone who can hear me? Please. They all were saying the truth. I was the one who was stupid, fool. They kept warning me not to go this route. I would face destruction, but I did not listen to them. Moral of the story is, when our elders stop us from doing something, we should obey them. Because of their personal experience, they know that this is the wrong way. That's why they prevent us from going the wrong direction. But it's a human nature that we does not understand unless we stumbles. So when our parents stop us from doing something, listen to them. Be careful before we stumble. People who love us stop us from doing something wrong. So follow their word before we fall on our face.